Hello students, today we'll discuss how to represent square root 9.3 on the number line. So for this we have to draw a line segment of length 9.3. Okay, first of all draw a line segment of length 9.3. Starting from 0 we have to draw a line segment of length 9.3. Okay, so let us name this line segment as AO, and the length of this line segment is 9.3 centimeter. After that, from this O point we have to extend this line segment 1 centimeter more. So let us extend this AO line segment 1 centimeter more up to the point B. OB is 1 centimeter. Okay, you can write like that, 1 centimeter. Our next aim is to bisect AB. Okay, how we can bisect? Using the compass we have to bisect the line segment AB. Now for this, place your compass at point B, then take the length more than half of AB. Okay, it is more than half of AB we have taken. Now it is also more than half of AB. So for this we have to draw two arcs from the point B like that. Next step, within the same radius, without disturbing your compass, place it at the point A, and with the same radius you have to draw another two arcs like this. It is not intersected, so we have to extend it more in this way. Okay, now we have to join these two intersecting points using the ruler. Like that we have joined these 2 points using the ruler, and this is the midpoint of the line segment AB. Let us name this midpoint as M. Our next step, now again take your compass and place it at the point M and take the radius as AM. Okay, now taking the radius as AM, you have to draw a semicircle. Okay, so like that we are drawing a semicircle, taking M as center and AM as radius. So this is the semicircle. Our next step, at the point O we have to draw a perpendicular. Okay, so for this we have to make a 90-degree angle. Okay, how we can make a 90-degree angle? At point O you place your compass again. Okay, now draw any arc. Okay, draw any arc. Then with that same radius, without disturbing your compass, place it at this point. Now if you draw an arc, it will be 60-degree arc. Okay, after that again you place your compass at this point, draw one more arc with the same radius, and this should be intersected with the previous arc. Then it will be 120-degree arc. Now place your compass at this point without disturbing it, and with the same radius draw one more arc. From this point also draw one more arc. Okay, they are intersecting at this point. Now join these two points from O to that intersecting point. You have to join it. Okay, this line is intersecting this semicircle somewhere like this point. Okay, at this point it is intersecting, so let us name this point as C. Okay, now OC, this OC is the line segment of length square root 9.3 centimeter, but we have to represent this 9.3 on the number line. Here is the number line, it is not getting on the number line. Okay, so what we'll do now, again we have to extend AB. Okay, now we have to extend AB again to this point. Again take your compass. Okay, take your compass and place it at O. Take the radius of OC. Okay, take the radius of OC. After that you have to draw an arc so that this new arc intersects the extended ray at point D. Okay, now this D point will be the required square root 9.3. Okay, so student, hope you have understood. So this D is the required square root 9.3. So thank you. And students, like that, using the same steps you can draw, you can represent the points. Suppose 7.9, square root 5.3, square root 11.2, etc. All these points you can represent on a number line using the same steps. But first of all, you have drawn this line segment AO of length 9.3. So if you want to draw 7.9, you have to draw AO of 7.9 centimeter. If you want to represent square root 5.3, then you have to draw AO of length 5.3 centimeter. After that, all other steps will be same. So you can try these 3 questions at home as your homework. Okay, so I hope you have understood this process, and thanks for watching my video. We'll meet you in my next video. Okay, thank you.